to understand just one simple diagram. Consider a ray OA. We know that if this ray is rotated completely once, it covers 360 degrees. All the different angles which lie in between 0 and 360 degrees are classified into types. There are two kinds of important angles we come across very often in mathematics. The first kind is an angle like this, and it covers 1/4 of the 360 degrees rotation. Let's call this ray OC. This angle formed here is called a right angle, and since it covers 1/4 of the 360 degrees, it measures 90 degrees. This angle is special in many ways. It is the only angle which is not marked with a curve. Normally, angles are marked like this with a curve between its two arms, but a right angle is marked like this. With this mark, we don't even need to write the measure next to it, since these two lines are enough to tell you that it's a right angle. And when the angle between two rays or lines is 90 degrees, we say they are perpendicular to each other. The next important kind of angle you will see often is called the straight angle. The name says it all. The arm is rotated in such a way that a straight line is formed like this. Let this arm be called OE. This angle formed here between OA and OE will equal 180 degrees. It is called a straight angle. And this straight angle covers half the complete rotation, which is 180 degrees. So remember, 1/4 of a complete rotation is a right angle, and half a complete rotation is called a straight angle, which is actually a straight line. These two were the special angles, and if you look at the figure closely, these two angles divide the plane into three regions. Let me color them for you. This blue region, which is between 0 and 90 degrees. This yellow region, which is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And this entire red region under the line, which is between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. We classify the angles purely based on these three regions. To classify the angles in this figure, we will consider ray OA as the initial arm for all angles. Any angle in the blue region is called an acute angle. Let's have another ray OB in the blue region. This angle formed here will be an acute angle. Any angle with its terminal arm between 0 and 90 degrees can be called acute. Any angle formed with its terminal arm in the yellow region will be an obtuse angle. Let this be another ray OD in the yellow region. This angle formed here is called an obtuse angle. That means any angle which has its measure between 90 and 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. And any angle with its terminal arm in this red region is called a reflex angle. So if you have ray OF like this, then this entire angle starting from ray OA will be a reflex angle. So a reflex angle will always be greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. And if we have ray OG like this, then this big angle too would be a reflex angle. It's very simple. Any angle between 0 and 90 degrees will be acute. If it's between 90 and 180 degrees, it will be obtuse. And if it's between 180 degrees and 360 degrees, it will be reflex. One way in which you can remember this is by knowing that the letters A, O, and R are in alphabetical order.